Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let's take a look at the headlines. Government decides to extend national lockdown till 3rd May. Relaxations with certain conditions may be allowed after April 20th at places without hotspots. First coronavirus case reported in Meghalaya. 48-hour curfew imposed in Shillong agglomeration area and city hospital sealed after doctor tests positive for COVID-19. 90 samples collected within 18 hours after one person tests positive in the state. 2,000 contacts have been identified so far, and government adopts a three-pronged approach to contain spread of coronavirus. And patient jumps to death in Bethany Hospital. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma confirms case not related to COVID-19. The news in details. The government has decided to extend lockdown till 3rd of May. Addressing the nation today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said stakeholders including states and people have favoured extension of lockdown. Mr. Modi said integrated and holistic approach has helped India to handle the situation properly. He further said tight vigil will be kept on all hotspots and containment zones, and strict implementation of the lockdown will be ensured in coming days so that the virus does not spread to new areas. He added all districts, localities and states will be closely monitored over its performance with respect to implementation of lockdown norms and management of hotspots till 20th April.
सारे सुझावों को ध्यान में रखते हुए ये तय किया गया है कि भारत में लॉकडाउन को अब 3 मई तक और बढ़ाना पड़ेगा। यानी 3 मई तक हम सभी को, हर देशवासी को लॉकडाउन में ही रहना होगा। इस दौरान हमें अनुशासन का उसी तरह पालन करना है जैसे हम करते आ रहे हैं। मेरी सभी देशवासियों से ये प्रार्थना है कि अब कोरोना को हमें किसी भी कीमत पर नए क्षेत्रों में फैलने नहीं देना है।
Speaking on the lockdown, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi said after 20th April, states which will not have hotspots or which have not allowed hotspots to come up, they could be allowed with certain conditions to let some important activities resume. He stated that government will come out with extensive guidelines tomorrow on the extended lockdown. He further said while making new guidelines, government have kept in mind the interest of the poor and daily wage workers. The Prime Minister said India's fight against coronavirus is going on very strongly and people have saved the country while facing difficulties.
अगले एक सप्ताह में कोरोना के खिलाफ लड़ाई में कठोरता और ज्यादा बढ़ाई जाएगी। 20 अप्रैल तक हर कस्बे, हर थाने, हर जिले, हर राज्य को बड़ी बारीकी से परखा जाएगा। वहां लॉकडाउन का कितना पालन हो रहा है, उस क्षेत्र ने कोरोना से खुद को कितना बचाया है, इसका मूल्यांकन लगातार किया जाएगा। जो क्षेत्र इस अग्नि परीक्षा में सफल होंगे, जो अपने यहां हॉटस्पॉट नहीं बढ़ने देंगे और जिनके हॉटस्पॉट में बदलने की आशंका भी कम होगी, वहां पर 20 अप्रैल से कुछ जरूरी गतिविधियों की अनुमति, छूटछाट दी जा सकती है।
Meghalaya has reported its first COVID-19 case after a senior doctor was tested positive for the virus on Monday. According to a release issued by the Chief Secretary today, a doctor from Bethany Hospital in Shillong was tested positive for COVID-19. He is currently undergoing treatment in Negrims. Meanwhile, to contain the spread of the virus, the East Khasi Hills District Magistrate has imposed 48 hours curfew in Shillong agglomeration area from 6 a.m. of April 14th, with the exception of essential services. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has informed and assured the citizens of Shillong and the state that the government is fully prepared to tackle the situation, even as he urged people not to panic but to cooperate with the government by staying at home during the 48 hours curfew. Meanwhile, Bethany Hospital has been sealed and no new patient will be allowed to come in or leave the hospital. The Chief Minister has also urged all the people who visited the hospital from March 22nd to kindly inform the health officials by calling at 108 and to get themselves quarantined.
we have had an unfortunate situation where we have had a positive case of COVID-19 in our state of Meghalaya, in Shillong. And this situation has come in spite of all the measures that have been taken from our side. But at the same time, I would like to inform and assure the people of Shillong city as well as of Meghalaya state that the state government is fully prepared to tackle the situation. We have immediately imposed a complete curfew in the city of Shillong for the next 48 hours. Also, we request everybody to kindly cooperate and not to leave their homes for the next 48 hours. We have also sealed the institution that where the information has been found and the case has been found. And at the same time, in this institution, which is Bethany Hospital, all the people who have visited Bethany Hospital from the 22nd of March and after that, I would sincerely urge all the citizens to kindly inform us by calling at 108 number.
After receiving inputs that one positive case was reported in the state, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today informed that within 18 hours, 90 samples have been collected and sent for testing. Stating that it is an unfortunate incident that a positive case was registered in the state, Corona Task Force swung into action after receiving the news and has managed to collect 90 samples within a span of 18 hours. He informed that 2,000 contacts have been identified so far. The Chief Minister said that the focus of the state government is to trace the primary contacts and then a move is on to tracking the secondary contacts. He said the state government is adopting the strategy of identifying, isolating and testing. Furthermore, Sangma said that the department will be collecting more samples in due course of time. The Chief Minister also informed that the state government has also sought help from the neighbouring state, Assam, so that more samples can be sent for testing and can get effective results. However, he said that the result of the samples will be given later today.
Till last night, instructions have been given to both the branches of this institute that they need to be completely shut, and in fact the staff that had been staying there on duty, they have been asked to stay and quarantine, and we have listed down the primary contacts of the individual. We have also gone down to secondary contacts to a large extent. Of course it takes time, it's been only 18 hours now when this information came to us. So within 18 hours already we have established 2,000 contacts already, and in 18 hours we have already done approximately 79 plus 11, 90 tests have been done. We should be getting the results of those.
In an unfortunate incident, a patient admitted to Bethany Hospital here in Shillong allegedly committed suicide early today. The patient jumped from the window of his ward in the hospital and died on the spot. Hospital sources said that patient, a resident of Maukar Wat in southwest Khasi Hills district, was admitted for detoxifying from drugs. To a query on whether the patient was admitted due to COVID-19, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma informed that he was admitted because he was under substance abuse and also had psychiatric issue and was admitted for that purpose. It has nothing to do with COVID-19, he informed.
There is a case like that, but this case has nothing to do with the coronavirus. This individual who committed suicide was a substance user, and he was there for rehabilitation. He also had some psychiatric problems, and in all likelihood the suicide was related to substance, withdrawal symptoms and psychiatric problems. So it has nothing to do with
The Relief Committee on COVID-19 of Mauklam Nongpendeng village on the West Khasi Hills on Monday distributed rice and food grain to more than 300 households who have been badly affected by the lockdown imposed to prevent from the spread of novel coronavirus. TCM, the village secretary of Mauklam Nongpendeng village, said that after the lockdown was imposed in the country, the village Darbar has constituted a relief committee to conduct a survey and assessment through different heads of localities so that immediate relief can be distributed accordingly. accordingly. The fund was sanctioned by the executive committee of the village and was also donated by well-wishers, local MLA and MDC, religious and social organizations. A conglomeration of 6 NGOs from Happy Valley have taken it upon themselves to feed the needy and the migrant laborers affected by the lockdown. They have been feeding hundreds of them twice a day on a daily basis. The 6 associations came together in view of the prevailing situation and decided to serve the needy in whatever capacity they can. The meals are being served at Long Range, Happy Valley by the volunteers at 12 noon and 5 p.m. Speaking to DD News Shillong, the leaders of the various associations shared their experience and on the need to serve the human race. That's all we have for you today. Until we meet you tomorrow, thank you and good night.